The last part of the story is when the shark comes. So let's review our notes to remember what happens in the last part of the story. Number 3 says, the shark shouts, he swims to the middle, and the other sprites escape. The shark says, "Don't be scared, I just want to play." How is the shark going to know when he can come into the middle of the screen? Well, we'll let him know by having the fish broadcast a message. So I click on my fish sprite. Under the scripts tab, I choose events and I want to broadcast a message. So I select broadcast and I connect it in the code window to say. I don't want him to broadcast a message, "This is fun." I want him to broadcast a new message. So I choose new message and I type the message name as shark coming. And I click OK. Now that the fish has broadcast the message that the shark is coming, we can make the 2 divers escape and the shark appear. So first I will work with the divers. I will go to diver 1. When diver 1 hears a shark is coming, he will swim away. So I need to choose under the scripts tab the event of when I receive shark coming. I drag it to the code window and I place it. When he hears shark coming, he's going to escape. So I drag my sprite to the location where I want him to go. I want him to go to the bottom right corner. Then I go to the motion and I click glide and I connect it to when I receive. I want to make sure that he glides to the coordinates of his current position, so I check the coordinates that they match. He's at the coordinate x, 174, y, -38. Yep, those are the same. I need to do the same thing with diver 2. So I click on the diver 2 sprite icon, I go to the scripts tab, and I look in events for when he receives the message shark is coming. Then I go to the motion tab and I click glide and I connect that to when I receive shark is coming. In this case, I forgot to move my sprite before putting the code, so I'll move my sprite to where I want him to escape. I will look at his coordinates, which are x, 183, y, 146, and I will change the coordinates of the glide code to x, 183, 183, and y, 146. Let's see if this works. Click on the green flag and watch. Perfect, my 2 divers escaped, but we also need my fish to escape. So after he broadcasts the message that the shark is coming, we need him to glide away. So I will go to the motion and I will click on glide and drag it and connect it to broadcast. I want him to glide over away to the left side of the screen, so I look at his coordinates and I change the glide code coordinates to match his location on the left side of the screen. So that would be x minus 193, y minus 1.